So we're moving into some of the processes, just quickly cleaning of parts. This is a really important aspect of motor repair. It was where I started, where my dad stuck me in the cleaning booth and stuck Brad in the cleaning booth way too long. 10 years in the booth was way too long. He didn't leave me that long. But seriously, it's a really important part. You learn a lot about the motor, but you learn about how to properly clean the motor. Motor parts get really dirty. We use high pressure when we can, hot with water with a biodegradable soap. That pressure gets adjusted for what we're actually measuring. What we're actually cleaning. If it's steel or non-winding, obviously we can have higher pressures. If it's a winding, we're going to crank that down so that we're not going to cause damage. So steam cleaning room, kind of a dirty environment, but it's all contained in that area. We have a big, looks like a parts washer. It is a parts washer. I was going to say a dishwasher. We can throw different parts in there and it goes through its own automated cleaning process. As we're cleaning, the greases and oils go down into a grease trap. And then that dirty water goes into a purification system. We learned many, many years ago that, you can't just keep dumping this stuff into the environment. So we pre-clean the water before it goes to the city, and the city loves us for it. And we did it before it was ever mandated, because we just believed that we couldn't just continue to pour things down the drain. This goes back probably almost 30 years ago. But trying to be good stewards of the environment. Whatever's in the grease trap, we have a company come in and they'll pull out all the greases, the heavy stuff that settles, and then that gets properly disposed of. So cleaning continue, an armature that got soaked down with a really good soap, and then this lower pressure cleaning, and I think